In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate Elementor Pro License WordPress plugin. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open the plugins area. From there, choose Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor. You'll see the free Elementor website builder appear. Click Install, and when it's done, click Activate. Elementor Pro builds on this free core plugin, so having the free version active is essential before you continue. Next, head over to your Elementor account in your web browser and log in. In your account area, navigate to the section labeled My Account or Billing. This is where Elementor provides your downloads and subscription details. Locate the Elementor Pro plugin in your downloads and click to download the installer file. It will come as a zip file. Don't unzip it. WordPress needs the file exactly as downloaded. Now return to your WordPress dashboard and go back to the plugins page. Click Upload Plugin at the top. Choose the Elementor Pro.zip file you just downloaded, then select Install Now. When WordPress finishes installing it, click Activate Plugin. At this point, both the free and Pro versions should be listed, and Pro will be ready to connect to your license. In your WordPress sidebar, open the Elementor menu. You'll see an option to connect your account. Click Connect Account, and you'll be redirected to Elementor's website. If you aren't already signed in there, log in with your Elementor credentials. Elementor will detect the site you're connecting. If you're prompted to choose a subscription, select the correct plan associated with your license and confirm to connect and activate. Once approved, you'll be brought back to WordPress with a confirmation that your license is active. You can verify this from the Elementor settings screen where the license status should show as connected, and you should now see Pro widgets and features available inside the editor. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure both Elementor and Elementor Pro stay updated to compatible versions to avoid conflicts. If the upload fails, double check that you selected the original .zip file and that your WordPress user has permission to install plugins. And if the license doesn't connect right away, try signing out and back into your Elementor account and confirm you selected the correct subscription during the connection step. That's it. Your Elementor Pro plugin is installed, activated, and licensed, and you're ready to start building with all the Pro features.